Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to open an XML file in 2025. If you're dealing with data, web development, or just stumbled upon a mysterious .xml file, you're in the right place. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a simple, flexible way to structure data, and opening it is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First off, why bother opening an XML file? Well, it could contain important configuration settings, website data, or even game saves. The good news is, you don't need fancy software. Most methods are built into your everyday tools. Let's start with the simplest way, using a text editor. On Windows, fire up Notepad or, better yet, download a free option like Notepad++ for better formatting. Just right-click your XML file, select Open With, and choose your editor. Boom! You'll see the raw code, with tags like less than, tag greater than, value less than, tag greater than laid out clearly. If you're on a Mac, open TextEdit or use a more robust app like Text Wrangler. For a more visual experience, try opening it in a web browser. Drag and drop your XML file into Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and it'll render as a tree structure, making it super easy to navigate. This is great for quick checks without installing anything extra. Now, if you're working with larger files or need advanced features, consider specialized tools. Programs like XML Notepad for Windows or online editors like XML Grid let you edit and validate your file in real time. Just head to their websites, upload your file, and start exploring. Remember, in 2025, most modern OS updates include better XML support, so ensure your system is up to date for seamless performance. One common hiccup? Encoding issues or corrupted files. If your XML looks like gibberish, check the file encoding in your editor's settings. UTF-8 is usually the way to go. And always make a backup before editing to avoid mishaps. There you have it, folks. By now, you should be a pro at opening XML files. Whether you're debugging code or just curious, this skill will save you time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.